Innovative, efficient, and offering a healthier alternative to deep-fat fryers, an air fryer is a kitchen must-have for anyone looking to cut the calories. Air fryers use the same principles as traditional deep-fat fryers to crisp up your food. But instead of submerging your food in cooking oil, they circulate hot air around it, using far less oil in the process. But what separates a good air fryer from a bad one? In this guide, we'll cover the key things to look out for, so that you can make a well-informed buying decision. The first thing to consider while shopping for an air fryer is how much food it can cook. In other words, its capacity. Confusingly, you'll find that some manufacturers advertise cooking capacity by weight and others by volume. As a rule of thumb though, choose an air fryer with a capacity of around 800 grams or 3.5 litres if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, whereas for family size servings, choose an air fryer with a capacity of at least 1.5 kilos or around 5 litres. While all air fryers cook food in the same way, there are a few factors to take into account when weighing up different models. Power is important to bear in mind, and power ratings can vary greatly between budget and premium models. While models with lower power ratings will produce similar results, they'll usually take longer to do so. It's also worth taking note of whether a fryer will automatically stir your food for you. Some machines come with rotating baskets or inbuilt stirring paddles, removing the need to turn your food while cooking. On cheaper models, however, you'll still need to manually flip your food in order to ensure even cooking. For ease of use, you may also want to check whether any automatic functions are built in. Basic controls for temperature and a timer are fairly standard, but some machines offer preset cooking programs for common dishes like chips, chicken, and steak. Another key feature to look out for is the ability to cook more than one thing at once. Classic air fryers use a single cooking basket, but fancier models are now available with multiple cooking zones. Having multiple cooking zones not only increases the overall capacity of the fryer, it also lets you cook 2 separate dishes in the same machine. While budget-friendly and older models may stop at standard convection cooking, you can now readily find models that offer additional cooking modes. Machines that offer up the ability to grill, roast, bake, and even dehydrate food in addition to air frying are all becoming increasingly common, allowing a single air fryer to potentially replace multiple other appliances. For a complete rundown of the best air fryers on the market, along with the best deals, see our website. Get the expert review.